To balance your gimbal, you first need to attach your camera. Make sure the lens cap is off and the battery is in. Now, take your base plate and screw it into the bottom of your camera. Make sure the arrow on the base plate is pointed in the direction the lens is facing. Then, take your camera and slide it onto the gimbal from the front. While holding the roll axis with one hand, push the camera forward and backwards until it sits level. Then, tighten the latch. Once completed, now let's level the tilt axis. Begin by flipping the camera so the lens is pointed straight up. Untighten this knob and slide the arm forwards and backwards until the lens stays pointed up on its own. Once level, make sure to tighten the knob back up. Moving on to the roll axis. The roll axis is what keeps the gimbal leveled horizontally. Untighten this knob and slide the arm back and forth until it sits level. As you can see, the roll axis is now level, but my camera keeps falling forwards. If this is the case for you, this would be a good time to go back and repeat the previous steps. To see if you've done everything right so far, position the camera in any which way and it should stay. Now onto the pan axis. The way we balance the pan axis is by picking up the gimbal and pointing it straight out. Then, rotate your camera 45 degrees to the right. When you let go, if the camera swings back inwards, it is not level. Set the gimbal back down and untighten this knob. Slide the arm all the way to one end and tighten it up. This will give us a good starting point. Keep repeating the process of picking the gimbal up, rotating the camera at a 45-degree angle, letting go, and adjusting the arm little by little. This will take multiple attempts, but when it is level, after rotating the camera at a 45-degree angle and letting go, the pan axis will stay as it is. If the roll axis turns a little bit, that is okay. We're just making sure that the pan axis doesn't move. Here's a side angle view to help visualize. As you can see, after letting go, the pan axis doesn't move and stays exactly where it is. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching.